year, you work on a digital marketing plan hoping that it will positively impact your business. But that's not always the case. To help combat these yearly frustrations once and for all, we have gathered the 3 pillars to ensure this year's performance is above any other. Define and align your strategy. Let's take a step back, just for a moment. When you're creating a digital marketing strategy, there's usually a mix of these methods: online advertising, content, email marketing, mobile marketing, paid search, SEO, reputation management, social media marketing, video, or web analytics. It's a pretty universal list most businesses use. However, it doesn't encompass the true potential of each type of marketing for your digital marketing strategy. How do you plan to use marketing methods to engage with your customers? Just a vague idea of where you want to go is not enough. What you need is a clear roadmap so you have the best overview of target goals and what you need to do to achieve them. Whether the year has been a bust or not, asking yourself the right questions and analyzing your performance will provide great insights. What did you do well? What gave you little return on your investment? What competitors use channels well? Did you have a clear vision of your audience? Do you know where they are on the buyer's funnel? How did you measure success? The worst case scenario is that you have covered a lot of ground on what doesn't work. So now you'll focus on entirely new approaches for your digital marketing strategy. You are now ready to build your strategy. Once you know what your business needs and rule out what hasn't worked, you can set goals. For example, your goal could be to grow sales by 5% or generate 200 signups for an event. After you have listed out a set of goals, you can determine what part of the buyer's funnel they target and the best way to approach each. So if your goal is to increase sales by 5%, what objectives can help you get there? You'll see how one point leads to the next as you do this exercise. With goals set, you can now create a strategy to scale your business. We actually have a video on this. Make sure to check it out. Reports reveal missed opportunities. Depending on how long you run campaigns, your report should be packed with juicy information. Here's an example. In this audit report by Ad Insights, you'll note that there are endless opportunities. From search term exclusions to ad copy improvements, this insight can help you create a more precise digital marketing strategy. Not everyone has the ability to read and perform a deep analysis on reporting, so don't be shy on reaching out to review a report with a digital marketing expert. Together, you can flag missed opportunities due to lack of budget, inefficient campaign and account settings, overspending that brings little to no change in performance, outline trends in performance where you failed to follow up, overlooked channels, features, and settings, and poor performance due to lack of monitoring. Adopt best practices. As PPC experts and a seasoned white label agency, we have a good idea of some of the common pitfalls that agencies and direct businesses face when tackling digital marketing strategies. Let me tell you about some of the most common scenarios and our 2 cents on what you can try differently. Setting unrealistic goals. Each marketing platform that you choose to invest in will have a turnaround for the investment that you make. Observe past trends. Find out what average growth looks like and track your progress as you go. Brush up on trends. The digital marketing landscape is constantly changing, and falling behind can mean that you aren't taking advantage of a feature that can help you connect with your audience. New features can limit your strategy or help you make it even better. Jump deeper into your industry. Learn about ways that you can build rapport with your audience. They'll thank you for it when they look to invest in your business. To learn more, take a look at how helpful content such as blogs can help your business gain the ability to inform potential customers on what they're seeking. I'll leave you the link in the description. PPC marketing. If you're handling PPC marketing and you're not an expert, it will be a lot easier to get some help. Our strategists recommend that you subscribe to industry blogs for updates, search for support in help centers on Google or Microsoft. You can even use Ad Insights by Whiteshark Media to monitor performance insights of your PPC accounts and flag errors. Takeaways. These 3 fundamental pillars will help you achieve your goals with less struggle. This is your year to figure out the simple tweaks that will completely change how you manage your business goals and strategies for 2022. Tell me, do you know any other fundamental pillar for your digital marketing strategy? Let us know in the comments. We post videos every week, so make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified about our most recent videos. That's it for today. See you for another.